Most entrepreneurs compare taxes when choosing where to start a business. But here's the truth no one tells you. Taxes are only one piece of the puzzle. The biggest mistake you need to avoid in 2026 is choosing a country with low taxes, but weak banking access, difficult regulations, or poor business credibility. In this video, I'll compare the UAE, Singapore, and the UK side by side, so you can understand which country is actually best for your business goals, budget, and long-term plans. And trust me, the best option changes depending on what type of business you want to build. Let's start right away. First, let's talk about the UAE. The UAE, especially Dubai, is one of the biggest business magnets in the world right now. The main reason is simple: zero personal income tax and strong international business positioning. For example, Alex runs a digital marketing agency and chose Dubai because he wanted international clients, fast company setup, and tax efficiency. Now here's where it gets interesting. The UAE is excellent for entrepreneurs making strong revenue already. But here's the problem. Setup costs, office requirements, visa expenses, and licensing fees can become expensive for beginners. This is where most people fail. They watch videos about tax-free Dubai without calculating the actual startup costs first. Next is Singapore. Singapore is one of the cleanest and most respected business environments globally. Banking is strong, corruption is low, and international credibility is extremely high. For startups focused on finance, tech, or international operations, Singapore has huge advantages. Users like Jake often choose Singapore because investors and international clients trust Singapore-based companies immediately. But operating costs are high. Office space, employee salaries, and daily business expenses can add up quickly. In a minute, I'll show you which country is usually easiest for smaller entrepreneurs starting online businesses. Now let's talk about the UK. The UK remains one of the simplest places to form a company, especially for international founders running online businesses. A UK limited company is relatively affordable to set up, widely recognized globally, and easier for many payment processors and business platforms. Now, here's where it gets interesting again. Even though UK taxes are higher than the UAE, many small business owners still choose the UK because the setup process is simple and trusted internationally. For example, John started an e-commerce business through a UK company mainly because Stripe, PayPal, and global suppliers work smoothly. But here's the problem. Long-term tax planning in the UK requires serious attention once profits increase. So which country is best in 2026? If your priority is tax efficiency and international lifestyle, the UAE is extremely attractive. If you want elite global business reputation and strong financial infrastructure, Singapore is hard to beat. But if you want affordable setup, global credibility, and easier online business access, the UK often makes the most practical starting point. And this is the key point many people miss. The best country depends on your stage of business. Beginners, digital entrepreneurs, and high-revenue founders often need completely different setups. So to recap, the UAE wins for tax advantages, Singapore dominates in business reputation, and the UK offers simplicity and accessibility for many online founders. Choose based on your actual business goals, not social media hype. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which country you would choose for your business in 2026. And if you want more global business and finance guides, check out the next video on your screen.